Hello and welcome back to Moto Stylish channel. The 2024 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory SE-09 SBK 1100 isn't just another motorcycle. It's a celebration of Aprilia's legacy in the World Superbike Championship. Honoring the unforgettable victory of Max Biaggi at Brno in 2009, this limited edition hypernaked bike is more than a machine, it's a piece of history. Crafted for enthusiasts and collectors alike, the SE-09 SBK represents the pinnacle of performance and exclusivity, adorned with a livery that echoes Aprilia's storied past. A collector's dream, the hypernaked beast. The Tuono V4 Factory SE-09 SBK is designed for those who demand more than just speed, it's built for domination. This hypernaked motorcycle comes equipped with a specially developed kit that includes a carbon front mudguard and carbon air intakes designed to cool the front brake calipers efficiently. These lightweight, race-inspired components not only enhance performance but also add to the bike's exclusivity. With each unit featuring a unique production sequence number prominently displayed on the fuel tank. The legacy of Aprilia's SBK triumph. The roots of the SE-09 SBK can be traced back to July 26, 2009, when Max Biaggi secured Aprilia's first ever SBK victory at the Brno circuit. This victory was the beginning of an era of dominance for the Aprilia RSV4 in the world of production-derived motorcycles, eventually leading to an impressive haul of 7 world titles, 44 wins, and 102 podiums. The SE-09 SBK pays homage to this legacy by incorporating the iconic livery that adorned Biaggi's winning machine, a design that has become synonymous with Aprilia's success on the global stage. Unveiling at the MotoGP Grand Prix of the Americas. The 2024 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory SE-09 SBK made its public debut during the MotoGP Grand Prix of the Americas in Austin, Texas. This event marked a significant moment as Aprilia Racing Factory riders, Alex Espargaro and Maverick Vinales, introduced the SE-09 SBK to the world. The special edition stands out with its striking livery, dominated by black with red and white accents, a design that mirrors the RSV4's stunning appearance during its SBK debut. Performance meets exclusivity, key features. The 2024 Aprilia Tuono V4 Factory SE-09 SBK is more than just a tribute bike, it's a machine engineered for performance. The carbon front brake air intakes and carbon front mudguard are just a few of the enhancements that set this bike apart from the standard model. These features, combined with the bike's aggressive styling and track-focused capabilities, make the SE-09 SBK a formidable presence on both the road and the racetrack. Engine and power. At the heart of the SE-09 SBK lies the same potent V4 engine that powers the standard Tuono V4 Factory. This engine delivers exhilarating performance, with a power output that ensures rapid acceleration and top-end speed. The SE-09 SBK's engine is tuned for both power and precision, making it ideal for riders who demand the best of both worlds, whether carving through corners or unleashing on the straightaways. Handling and braking. The SE-09 SBK's advanced suspension setup and braking system are designed to provide unparalleled control and stopping power. The inclusion of carbon brake air intakes ensures that the brakes remain cool even during the most intense riding sessions, while the lightweight carbon mudguard reduces unsprung weight. Improving the bike's agility and responsiveness. Customization and individuality. One of the defining features of the SE-09 SBK is its bespoke nature. Each bike in this limited edition series is individually numbered, with the sequence number prominently displayed on the fuel tank. This level of customization extends to the bike's appearance, with the iconic livery serving as a visual reminder of Aprilia's racing heritage. Pricing and availability. The 2024 Aprilia Tuono V4 factory SE-09 SBK 1100 is priced at $19,999 in the United States, with corresponding prices in other regions, $22. 845 Canadian dollars in Canada, and an as yet undisclosed price in Europe and the UK. Given its limited production run and collector's item status, the SE-09 SBK is expected to be highly sought after by enthusiasts and collectors alike. Well, that's a wrap for our review. Thanks for joining us today on Moto Stylish. And we'll see you next time for more exciting reviews and updates on the latest vehicles and trends in the world of motorcycles.